Our top focus in this edition, pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca has now said that it has found no evidence of an increased risk of blood clots among those inoculated with its vaccine. The company drew conclusions after a review of safety data of the people vaccinated with its COVID-19 vaccine. The review included more than 17 million people vaccinated in the United Kingdom and the European Union. The company said, and I'm quoting now, a careful review of all available safety data of more than 17 million people vaccinated in the European Union and the UK with the COVID-19 vaccine. AstraZeneca has shown no evidence of an increased risk of pulmonary embolism, deep vein thrombosis in any defined age group, gender, batch, or in any particular country. This comes after health authorities in some countries had suspended the use of the vaccine over clotting issues. The countries included Ireland, Denmark, Norway, Iceland and the Netherlands. Austria stopped using a batch of the AstraZeneca shots while investigating a death from coagulation disorders. AstraZeneca has said that there is no indication that the events were caused by the vaccine. The World Health Organization has also put forth the same view. The drug maker acknowledged that 15 events of deep vein thrombosis and 22 events of pulmonary embolism have been reported so far. However, it also mentioned that other licensed COVID-19 vaccines faced similar issues. The company is conducting additional testing. The monthly safety report will be made public on the European Medical Agency's website. AstraZeneca has developed its vaccine in collaboration with the Oxford University. For more on this, clinical virologist and honorary associate professor at the University of Leicester in the UK, Dr. Julian Tang, is joining us from Leicester. Doctor, if you can elaborate for us the concerns that are there at the moment and the steps that have been taken by the UK as well when it comes to these concerns.
Yes, hello. Congratulations for your broadcasting across the UK from now on. This is quite normal for any new vaccine. There are always some adverse events once it's rolled out to the general population. These have been monitored in the clinical trials for AstraZeneca and not been found to be a problem. But once you roll out the vaccine to the general public, you always have those members in the public that are predisposed to these conditions and may well develop them anyway, regardless of the vaccine. And they have to compare background rates in the non-vaccinated versus vaccinated population for this type of study. And they found no increase in the clotting events in those who've been vaccinated versus the unvaccinated. That's normally how you do this kind of study.
Would you say there is cause of concern given the incidents that have happened in different parts?
Each country has to make their own evaluation of these incidences relative to their population, overall health. And that's why different countries have stopped the vaccine at different points during the rollout. But I think it's reassuring that the WHO and the UK haven't really seen any increase in these incidences, and other countries are now, looking to their own populations. And don't forget, COVID-19 per se also causes an increase, a massive increase in thromboembolic effects. So don't forget the disease you're trying to protect against is still worse than the vaccine adverse effects as well.
Leaving it there for the moment, Dr. Tang, appreciate very much for joining us on the broadcast. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.